Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful greeting card in which I have created these miniature flower pots along with this beautiful paper quilling flower composition inside the shadow box, and you can give this to the flower lovers, nature lover or the plant lover, and the card is looking very adorable, isn't it? And this is super duper easy to make. I'll share each and every step in detail so that you can create by your own. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking off-white color cardstock which is 19 by 21 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 1, 1.5, 2.5, 3, 16, 16.5, 17.5 and 18 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet clockwise, and from left side I creased at 1, 1.5, 2.5, 3, 18, 18.5, 19.5 and 20 centimeters. Now burnishing all the creases and folding it nicely. Here I am showing you how to make the shadow box for the card base. Since I am making the 3D objects inside the card, so it is good to make the shadow box which will give nice boundary to your work. So all the foldings are done. Now can you see here the corner of the folds? So we have to make straight line like this, and then diagonally we need to mark at 1 centimeter on the second and third line from top. Just create the straight line and join diagonally in the bottom and in the top. Similarly I am doing it on right side. And then repeating the process in the bottom as well. Now quickly I am just cutting all the pencil markings. Like this, then folding the panels from top and in the bottom, adding little glue and sticking two panels like this. Then fold the other side panel and tuck it inside the frame. Like this. And the beautiful shadow box is ready. Now I am taking one more 13 by 15 centimeters light green color cardstock and just marking it on the sheet by using the frame as a template. Here I am making the border to decorate the frame. So in short, from all four sides I am leaving the 1 centimeter margin and cutting the inner part using paper cutter to create the light green color frame. Then sticking this frame on top of the shadow box. and the base is ready, looking very pretty. Then taking white cardstock, which is 26 by 15 centimeters for the card base, folding this from center and sticking my shadow box frame on top of this. Like this, and the card base is ready. Now it's time to make the flower pot, for which I am taking 7 by 4 centimeters craft card sheet, and from left side I am marking at 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Then between these markings we have to find out the center, that is 1.5, and on both the sides of this marking we have to mark at 1 centimeters. Now joining diagonally the top point with the bottom and making the crease using ball tool. Then curving this sheet little bit using scissor so that we can make the 3D pot shape, and then folding on the creased portion. Then cutting the extra overlapping sheet from both the sides so that we can close the pot shape or flower vase shape, and it should look like this. Then just sticking the back portions using glue. Cutting the top excess paper, and the flower pot is ready. Super duper easy. So this is done. In the same way I have prepared one more which is having little sleek base, and one more I have prepared which is little bigger. So for this I have made two pots with the same process, different heights, and just joining these together to make the long shaped vase or pot. So all three pots are ready. Now I'm just decorating this with dark brown color 3mm strip and some acrylic color dots. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared another pots also using brown strip and white acrylic color. So pots are done. Now taking this 11 by 3.5 cm dark green color cardstock strip and just randomly creating some zigzag pattern on this to make the grass. All the cardstock which I am using today is having 250 GSM thickness. Now I am just cutting all these zigzag markings. And the grass is ready, very pretty. Similarly, I have prepared one more using light green cardstock and it will come inside the shadow frame. So first of all, I am just sticking the dark green on the base. And also adding one more dark green color strip exactly in the bottom part so that when we'll add the next layer it will have little dimension. And then adding the dark green grass. Then taking one more dark green grass, and before sticking this I am adding thick bunch of cardboard strip in the base, so the light green grass will have little dimension. I have added 5 to 6 layers of cardboards to have nice dimension. You can also use double-sided foam tape. Then adding dark green grass on top of this. After that I am sticking all my 3 pots. And then at the end I am sticking light green color grass on this, and this is having nice 3D texture, looking very pretty. Then I am starting with the first flower composition. For this I am taking half strip of light purple in 3 mm and making one tight coil. So with the same method we need total 5 tight coils for one bunch. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple in 3 mm and making one more tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. According to that you have to divide the strips. So we need total 3 dark purple tight coil for one bunch. Now taking one small strip of light purple and adding light purple coils on both sides of this, and then on top of this I'll add dark purple coils. So the beautiful flower bunch is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more with the similar method for one pot. Now for the next pot I am making another flower, and for this I am taking 1/4 strip of golden yellow color in 3 mm, making one tight coil. So we need total 6 these tight coils, and also I have prepared one more white color tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip. Then taking one small strip of sap green color, folding this from center, and I'll stick 2 yellow tight coils on both sides of this and then construct the flower. Like this. Similarly we need total 4 flowers. Then for the next flower I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color and making one teardrop shape. Then taking one small piece of sap green color strip, and on this I am sticking total 3 teardrop shapes to make the flower. Similar way I have prepared 3 dark pink and 2 light pink flowers. Now to start with leaves, here I am just taking sap green color strip, making total 3 loops in increasing order, just pinching it like this for one leaf. And for another leaf I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making simple leaf shape. So some of the leaves I have already prepared. So leaves are also ready, and also I have created some filler flowers. These are simple red color tight coils which are made using half strip of red color and wrapped sap green strip around this to create the fillers. So we need total 8 filler flowers. Now taking back my card, and I'll start arranging all my flowers, leaves and fillers. and this is done. Now I'm just decorating the bottom and top of the card frame using this beautiful border design, and also sticking some butterflies here and there randomly. Here I have used butterfly die, but you can also create quilling butterfly, and written the sentiment good day in one corner of the card. So that's it for today, and inside the card you can write any extra message or special message for your special person. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.